open today. This is like a cow pun.
You think you can open it with your hands?
No. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Feels like this.
What's something similar that it feels like?
Oh yeah, that's a rock. Like it's bumpy.
Zucchini?
Yeah, pumpkin. But I have like the thing. It's not like oranges. How do we open it? They're slimy. And it smells kind of like leaves. It's kind of sweet. I don't want to have maybe try one. This smells like real. No, it's rotten. We need to put it in like a jar or some sort of container and cover it and like let it sit and ferment for like a week and then bake them. Yeah. You have to put like the sugar and the butter after you grind them.
Are we gonna be able to make chocolate?
Not in one night, you can't make it. No, you can't. You have to ferment it for like a week. I can make really sweet chocolate and then in the middle, super bitter.
Cucumber.
Ew.
Raw onions.
Ew.
Cheese stick.
Ew.
Garlic.
Keeping it insulated so that the temperature can stay warm as the fermentation process.
Alright, let's see what's inside then.
Not moldy. Smells a little bit like cacao. Here are the cacao nibs. We fermented them and peeled them and baked them. Yeah. And now we're gonna grind them up. Yeah, we're gonna grind them up.
Why do you have to keep grinding?
We want it to be really fine because, well, we make the other one really fine and we don't want one to be super thick and chunky and the other one to be really fine. We're going to try eating the crunch of cacao. These aren't them. They're, we can keep that. They smell like dark chocolate and they feel like chocolate.
They taste like chocolate. You feel like chocolate? It must be chocolate then. It doesn't? Why?
It's hard and it tastes kind of like coffee beans.
Oh, is it bitter?
It tastes terrible. Yeah, it is. It's a little bitter. We're sifting it so that the chocolate will be smooth and not all lumpy. We did not have any milk, so we're going to use milk powder instead. Here's the milk powder. Enough? Yeah.
What, just put in how much?
We put in a third. Maybe milk powder? Maybe. Alright. We don't. Wait, I'm a kid. How does all this butter?
I'm excited to have some.
But what if it doesn't happen? What if it doesn't work? What if the chocolate doesn't get hard? Don't lick it.
Who wants to lick it?
I do.
There you go.
It doesn't taste good very good.
It doesn't? Then we have to put more sugar.
It needs more sugar. Yeah, it needs
does?
more sugar. We're stirring the chocolate. We're gonna pour it into the mold soon.
What's the temperature that you need to hit?
122. So now we heat up the chocolate and then we let it drop and we stir it till it's at like 97.
90.
Rubber. And then now I'm gonna pour. It's so rubber. What's it? You're not supposed to share it. No.
Not too much.
What did he do?
Oh, it may not even.
I'll pour it in and then you have the onion. Really? Will it rise or something? Give it to us.
Oh, rise up.
Okay, so we left the chocolate in the freezer for an hour, and now we're gonna take it out. The moment that we've been waiting. You may take it closer. It actually
Okay.
tastes really
A
good.
little shiny.
It's dark.
Whoa, that's a good.
Good snack.
It is dark
That's a
chocolate.
good-
Very
This is
nice.
like 99%.
So the snap test.
That's good.
Oh, what about you guys?
Then that will be even, okay? This is so good. Wow. And let's see. The snapping part is good. And it tastes so
Audrey, let
good.
me see. Let me see. Hold your chocolate up with you. Oh, that's 3. Let me see your face then too. Let me
It
see
is
your
a
face.
little
I can't.
grainy.
It's blocking your face. Hold it to the side. There you go.
It's a little
See,
grainy.
feel it? Now let me see. Hold it up with you.
I think
Let me see the
grinding
square.
it a little bit more. So the crack is very good.
I may have.
Crack is like
I don't know.
3. It's kind of graining, so it'd be like 2 for the taste. The snap is really good. Yeah. But it is a little bit harder to break in the Yeah. So it's very snappy.
How about the taste?
The taste is so good. It is good for dark chocolate.
What did you guys learn about making the chocolate?
I learned that you have to make the you have to keep stirring the chocolate when it has to get all the way to 122 degrees.
Great.
I learned that milk powder is a substitute for milk.
Yeah.
I learned kind of to never give up because I did not think that the chocolate would turn out good, but I did it and it turned out actually really good.
Great.
I learned you to make milk chocolate. You can use milk powder.
Good.
So I learned that you can put those little butter things and grind. You can like grind it up. And you can put like milk powder.
I hope you had a nice time watching us make.
And I hope you learned a lot.
Chocolate! Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video.
If you think others will enjoy this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.